Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Veronica. Today we're going to make grilled broccolini with crispy. So we got broccolini, we got 2 broccolini, and we got bacon, and we got lime juice and olive oil. So, okay. So we're going to do step 1. We're going to trim and wash the broccolini and remove any excess leaves, stems, bottoms or stalks. Then we're going to set that aside. So I'm going to open So we've got broccolini. Take the leaves off.
Yes, just if they're small broccoli, just the leaves.
Yeah, no. Oh.
Yeah, just the leaves.
Take these leaves off. What's everything? What?
You put your leaves in with the broccoli.
Let's cut one.
Okay. Now just trim the stalks.
Like what?
Get a knife and just cut a little bit of each of the stalks off.
So cut about here.
Yeah, just there, just cut. Yeah, or just Well, just a bit, around about half a centimetre. Yeah.
Yeah. I'll just put.
Yeah. So you get rid of that hard end.
Yeah. Yeah, that's already been. Some of them already been.
Oh well, that's good. Someone's cut them so it's easy for you to.
Yeah. I'll be one of the gardeners.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oops. Pause that because I've got. Oh yes, he's got fucking money signs on his arms.
Got what?
Money signs. Maybe that guy looked at what he's put up and might have done it. What?
It's what's in there dying.
Yeah. Clicked on? So we're going to cut it.
Yeah, just cut.
Hello, Tiny. Goodbye, Tiny.
Well, you need to cut it all, so I don't know if you want it. Yeah, just cut it up and.
Okay. Cut up. I'll just do like this.
Yeah, we'll see if you can use a knife or you might have to use scissors.
So how? One like that
Can
here,
you
eh?
pass me the scissors, please? Yeah, just cut them up in small.
Like this?
Yeah, 1 centimetre.
Oh. Nah.
They'll use the scissors.
Yeah. No, we're just going to use the scissors.
Yeah.
Oh, that's better.
Yeah, put them on.
Yep.
Or maybe just cut it up half, use halves.
No, it's probably these scissors might be blunt.
Yeah, we'll just cut
No, yep. Like that.
Yep.
Mm.
And I'll just separate them.
I just, oops.
You want to do it all?
Yeah. All right. So we got the olive oil. Right. Mum, you don't need the butter.
Yeah.
This cat likes butter. For some reason. Turn it on. Look. So I'm going to turn it on. We're on gas, because it will heat up a lot quicker. So we've got the oil in here. So when it's all heated, we're going to put the bacon in here. Put it in.
Yep.
Pan's all heated. What is spoon? Ah, you fudge! Yeah, this is the probably stupid bacon we should have got.
Spooky bacon.
No, this bacon, for the chicken.
Yeah.
That bacon was a bit off. Mum's just, like this. What are you doing, Mum?
I'm just making sure the pieces are not stuck together,
Oh, yeah.
so we can get them
Crispy!
crispy here.
Okay. So we're gonna finish with that. So,
Just drain the oil. Yeah, make sure the drips. So in the pan.
rude.
Okay. Okay, make sure it drips.
dripping up fat.
Mm-hmm. Just a pea. Mm-hmm.
And that again.
Yeah. And take that off. Yeah, okay.
What, take what?
Take the bacon up there and get it out of the feet. Do it in the next spoon.
Like that.
No, it doesn't get that bacon. Okay, I'll do that off now.
Mm.
And I'll just put this in there.
So we're going to grab the. Nope, I'll move all the stuff. It's in one go. Okay. Here you go, Mum.
Okay.
Got the broccolini on paper. Sorry, we're gonna. Got that on. So
That's the grill.
that's the grill.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Close it.
Yeah.
So how long?
Well, just
So I've got a cup. So we're gonna bring it. Sorry about that. Yeah. Like that?
yeah.
Okay. Put the almonds in here. Move that piece up here.
Just chop, you know.
Chop.
Yeah, just.
A little bit more.
No, let's have a look. Yeah, it's supposed to have this. Oh, yeah, I think that's all right. Yeah.
Mm.
Well, you got some whole ones in there, but that shouldn't make much difference.
Nah.
Excuse. I'll put them in a bowl. Hang on, I'll do some more. Here we go.
Oh, yummy. So, got the butter. We put the. Now we're going to put it on. Then one, eh, Mum?
Yeah.
Yep, see, we're going to melt the butter. The butter's melted. I'm just going to use my hands. Put in the porridge.
Okay.
Okay. And lemon juice?
Yes.
You got lemon juice? You're strain in the lemon juice. the cats.
Stir it all around.
That's what I'm doing.
Once that's done, put some bacon in it.
Oh, yummy. We're going to put all the bacon in, aren't we? Where's it? Oh, yeah. Okay. Shall I put the bacon in now?
Oh, yep.
Put the bacon in now.
Yep.
So we got all the, here's the bacon. Oh, we're gonna, I'm just going to use my hands. Pour it in.
Okay.
We're just going to put the roasted nuts in the pan.
And as well, with it here.
Yeah. Yum yum.
Here you go.
Mr. Tiny. Hello, Tiny. Hello. He's like, What are you doing, Mum?
Just turning it around, getting the nuts and
This is the finished product. If you guys want to try this recipe, I'll put the link down in the description down below with the how to make grilled broccolini with crispy bacon. Subscribe, click the notification bell for more videos down the line. Ronnie is out. Bye. Look at that. That tastes yummy.